Hi everyone. This video will show you how to change page orientation. Here are the two methods. Method number 1. If you have one page only. The document is in default page style, which is portrait. Right-click on default page style in the bottom toolbar. Click on landscape in the drop-down menu. The document instantly changes to landscape orientation. To return to portrait, right-click Landscape and select Default Page Style. The document is in portrait style again. Method number 2. If you have two pages and you want to convert the second page to landscape, click at the end of page 1, then on Insert, More Breaks and Manual Break. In the pop-up menu, click on Page Style. Choose Landscape. Page 2 will appear in landscape orientation. Fix the text shift with backspace. To revert to portrait style, click on page 2, then right-click on landscape in the bottom toolbar. Right-click default page style in the drop-down menu. Page 2 will be in portrait style again. To change the orientation of a third page, insert the manual break at the end of page 2 and follow the instructions above. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.